Have you ever stopped to wonder about the current state of health and wellness among Black Americans? This question may seem simple, but the answer is a complex and multidimensional one that warrants our attention. Let's dive into the facts. Black Americans disproportionately experience health disparities, which are differences in health outcomes and their determinants between different population groups. These disparities are not just numbers, they are people's lives, their well-being, and their potential. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Black Americans are more likely to suffer from chronic conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, and obesity. This community is also more likely to experience severe complications from these conditions, often due to factors such as lack of access to quality health care, a higher prevalence of risk factors, and systemic racism in the healthcare system. The consequences of these health disparities are far-reaching, affecting not only the individuals who suffer from these conditions, but also their families, communities, and society as a whole. It's a cycle that has been perpetuated for far too long, and it's time for a change. Improving health and wellness among Black Americans is an urgent need, not just for the community itself, but for the health of our nation. Every person deserves the opportunity to live a healthy and fulfilling life, free from preventable disease and premature death. But it's not just about treating disease. It's about promoting wellness and preventing illness in the first place. It's about empowering individuals to take control of their health, to make informed decisions, and to live their best lives. This is where the power of technology comes into play. Imagine a world where technology is leveraged to bridge the health disparity gap, providing access to quality health care for all, regardless of race or socioeconomic status. But what if technology could be the key to turning these statistics around? Yes, you heard it right. The potential of technology in transforming the health and wellness landscape for Black Americans is immense. And it's time we start exploring this potential to its fullest. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this exciting and transformative topic in the next scene. Imagine a world where technology empowers us to take control of our health. This is not a fantasy. It's happening right now. In this digital age, we're no longer passively receiving healthcare. Instead, we're actively participating in it, thanks to the numerous technological advancements at our disposal. From wearable devices that monitor our vitals to fitness apps that guide our workouts, technology is reshaping the way we approach health and wellness. Consider fitness apps, for example. They're like having a personal trainer in your pocket. These apps can customize workout routines based on our fitness levels and goals, track our progress, and even provide nutritional advice. They're not just about losing weight or gaining muscle. They're about promoting a healthier lifestyle. Next, let's talk about wearable devices. These aren't just fancy gadgets. They're tools that provide us with invaluable insights into our health. Wearables can monitor our heart rate, sleep patterns, and even stress levels. They're like having a personal health consultant, providing us with real-time data that we can use to make informed decisions about our health. And let's not forget about telemedicine. This technology has exploded in recent years, allowing us to consult with healthcare professionals without leaving the comfort of our homes. No more long waits at the doctor's office. No more unnecessary exposure to illnesses. With telemedicine, we can receive medical advice, get prescriptions, and even manage chronic conditions remotely. Last but not least, there's a wealth of online health resources available. Websites, blogs, podcasts, and online communities dedicated to health and wellness are just a click away. They offer a plethora of information on various health topics, from disease prevention to mental health awareness. In essence, technology is democratizing health, putting the power to improve our health right in our hands. It's a game changer, and it's only going to get better. The power to change our health lies in our hands, or should I say, in our smartphones and devices. Meet Jade, a mother of two from Chicago, and Michael, a businessman from Atlanta. Jade is a full-time mom juggling between her work and raising two energetic toddlers. She has a history of type 2 diabetes that runs in her family. Knowing this, she was determined to break the cycle and create a healthier future for herself and her children. One day, while scrolling through her smartphone, she stumbled upon a fitness app. It was as if a light bulb went off in her head. The app was her ticket to a healthier lifestyle. She started using the app to track her daily physical activities, her food intake, and even her sugar levels. The app was like a personal trainer and nutritionist rolled into one, always there, right in her pocket. It reminded her to drink water, to take her medication, and even suggested healthy recipes. Over time, Jade saw a significant improvement in her health. Her energy levels increased, her sugar levels stabilized, and she was even able to shed some pounds, all thanks to a simple app she downloaded on her phone. Now let's shift our attention to Michael. A businessman from Atlanta, Michael lived a fast-paced lifestyle. Late-night meetings and work-related stress were a part of his everyday life. These factors led to him being diagnosed with hypertension. But Michael was not one to back down from a challenge. He knew that he couldn't let his health take a back seat, not when he had a business to run and a family to take care of. Enter telemedicine. Michael began to use online platforms to consult with healthcare professionals. He didn't have to leave his office or sit in waiting rooms. He could discuss his health concerns from the comfort of his workspace or even from home. He also found online resources that guided him in managing his stress levels and maintaining a balanced diet. Michael could monitor his blood pressure regularly and consult with his doctor virtually. This helped him keep his hypertension in check and also allowed him to continue his work without any interruptions. Michael's and Jade's stories are not unique. They are part of a growing trend of Black Americans who are leveraging technology to improve their health. The technology is out there, ready to be used. It's accessible, it's convenient, and most importantly, it's effective. Whether it's a fitness app that helps you track your health goals or a telemedicine platform that brings healthcare to your fingertips, technology has the potential to bring about significant changes in our health. It breaks down barriers, it empowers us to take control of our health, and it allows us to lead healthier, happier lives. Jade and Michael are just two examples of the transformative power of technology in health improvement. So, what's stopping you from taking control of your health with the help of technology? It's a question we all need to ask ourselves. Is it the fear of the unknown, the lack of knowledge, or the misconception that technology is only for the young and tech-savvy? Let's address these concerns. Firstly, the fear of the unknown. It's a natural human tendency to be wary of new things. But remember, every great invention was once unknown. The key is to approach it with an open mind. Start small, perhaps with a basic health tracking app, and gradually explore more complex tools. You'll soon realize that technology is not as intimidating as it seems. Next, the lack of knowledge. It's true. The world of health tech can be overwhelming with its plethora of apps, devices, and platforms. But don't let this dissuade you. There are countless resources available to help you navigate this landscape. From online tutorials to tech support, there's always help at hand. All you need is the willingness to learn. Now let's talk about the misconception that technology is only for the young and tech savvy. This couldn't be further from the truth. Technology is designed to be user-friendly and accessible for everyone, regardless of age or tech savviness. Many health tech tools come with simple instructions and intuitive interfaces, making them easy to use even for those who aren't tech savvy. Moreover, the benefits of leveraging technology for health are immense. It can help you monitor your health, manage chronic conditions, and even prevent diseases. It can provide you with personalized health insights and connect you with health professionals at the touch of a button. It's like having a personal health assistant at your fingertips. So, don't let these barriers hold you back. Embrace technology and harness its power for your health. Remember, knowledge is power, and with technology, you have the power to take control of your health. No matter your age or tech savviness, there's a tool out there that can help you take control of your health. You've heard the facts. You've seen the success stories. Now it's your turn. You too can harness the power of technology for your health and wellness. Don't be overwhelmed by the vast sea of apps and gadgets out there. Start small, start simple. Download a fitness app. It could be a step tracker, a home workout guide, or a nutrition planner. Let these digital tools guide you on your journey to better health. And don't stop at apps. The internet is a treasure trove of health information waiting to be discovered. Use it to research, to learn, to grow. Find out what works for you and what doesn't. Technology is not the future, it's the now, and it's here to help us lead healthier, happier lives. So, don't just stand on the sidelines, get in the game. Remember, your health is your wealth. Use technology to invest in it today.